In this tutorial, we will be discovering how you can use the expand feature to truly dive deep into your niche and find the perfect hashtags to hit your target audience, no matter how small it is on Instagram. So I'm going to start off with where I left off in the last tutorial with the hashtag streetwear. Those of you who recall, I simply typed in streetwear, clicked search, and it came up with 10 related hashtags to streetwear. So I'm simply gonna hover over these hashtags and pick the one that's the most relevant to my niche. So here, let's say the most relevant one is Yeezy boots for me. So I'm gonna right click on it, click on expand, the search box comes up again, and all I need to do is click on search. Flick again goes through our hashtags, finds the most relevant ones to both streetwear and Yeezy boots and outputs them in a different color so that you can really visualize the different clusters of hashtags that you end up outputting. This process can be done over and over again so that you can go further and further down into your niche and really start hitting your target audience. So I'm going to do this once more. Let's say Supreme box logo. That's the next step to me niching down in my audience. I'm going to expand that, and again, Flick is going to output another 10 hashtags that are relevant to all three, so of streetwear, Yeezy boots, and Supreme box logo. You can simply hover over them and I get all of the data I need here. In the next tutorial, we'll be going over how to export hashtags with Flick once you've found the ones that you like.